Welcome to the Timesaver Calc for Tax walkthrough part 6. Net to gross. A net to gross calculation produces a set net pay value, calculating enough gross pay to cover all the statutory deductions. This type of calculation would normally be a massive undertaking without software. Let's say an employee must take home a payment of £3,000. We will start at pay period 1, monthly, but this would be the same for weekly. We can either go to the File menu and click Net to Gross, or simply click on the Total Net Pay box at the bottom right of the screen. This brings up the Net to Gross dialog box. Title defaults to Basic Pay. This is where the gross pay will be entered on the Payments column. We enter £3,000 in the Net Pay box. Taxable, NIable, and pensionable are all ticked, as this is a basic pay element. You can change this if you want to omit a payment from tax, national insurance, or pension contributions. The expat taxback is only used if you want to have a separate payment element displaying the tax deducted. This is never really used. We then click Calculate. The software will run a number of gross to net calculations, slightly adjusting gross pay each time until net pay matches the desired value. We can see the employee had to be paid £4,053.73 to achieve a net pay of exactly £3,000. Now, if we are to carry on doing this for the rest of the tax year, we will have to clear the basic pay in period 2 and then click the total net pay again to enter the desired net pay amount. In the next video we will look in depth into the options screen.